Have you ever wondered about the different varieties of tomatoes that exist? The tomato world is a vast universe, teeming with diversity that extends far beyond the common varieties you usually find in grocery stores. Each variety is a unique marvel, bearing its own distinct shape, color, and taste. From the tiny, sweet cherry tomatoes to the large, juicy beefsteaks and the exotic heirlooms in between, each tomato brings a unique flavor to the table. So, are you ready? Let's dig deeper into some of these unusual varieties. First on our list is the green zebra, a striped marvel of the tomato world. This variety, a vibrant green with yellow stripes, offers a tangy flavor that's a hit among gourmet chefs. Green zebra is indeed a showstopper, isn't it? But wait, there's more. Next up, meet the Black Krim, the dark horse among tomatoes. This variety boasts a dark, almost black color and a rich, slightly salty taste. Hailing from the Isle of Krim, the Black Krim is a true testament to the surprising diversity of tomatoes. Let's move on to our final unusual variety. Finally, let's discover the Sun Gold, a sweet surprise in the tomato family. This variety is noted for its bright orange hue and exceptionally sweet flavor, making it a popular choice for snacking and salads. Sun Gold certainly adds a sweet twist to the tomato narrative, doesn't it? Now that you've learned about these unusual tomato varieties, why not try growing them yourself? Cultivating these unique strains can introduce an array of colors, flavors, and novelty to your garden. Imagine the delight of biting into a freshly picked green zebra or the surprise of a Sun Gold's sweet burst of flavor. Not to mention, they're an absolute conversation starter at your dinner table. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Happy gardening!